Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 2 liters model lab scale needle mixer for Netherlands client. For this mixer, it is used to mix high viscous material, for example, solid and liquid material. This is a mixer, let's take around to see it. The left part is electricity cabinet. With main components, we use Schneider brand, and in water, Chinese famous brand, Karvil brand. And most important driving system, we use the Siemens brand motor and high-viscosity reducer connect directly. And as requirement, we equipped the vacuum system, excluding the vacuum pump. For example, pipes, buffer tank, connected with the top lid. The right part is a hand wheel reducer for the cylinder tilting for material discharging after work. And the middle is a mixing chamber. It is a double sigma blaze inside the mixing chamber. And let's open to see it. This is a double sigma blaze. All the material contact part, including the double sigma blades, we use stainless steel and the mirror polish. Stainless steel 316 model for the material contact part. Now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for the basic mixing function and safety protection system. This is a window, two window, one with light. We can check the inside situation while here. Let's open it, keep it open. Okay, first release the emergency stop button. This is the inverter panel, voltage meter and meter. This is for the temperature control, temperature display. Because we equipped a jacket around the vessel filled with conduction oil, small oil, with electric heater inside the jacket, and will be the heating function for the vessel. Okay, this is for the speed control and mixing direction, forward, reverse, stop. This is 2 buttons we remain for the vacuum pump control. Okay, first we start it with some speed. This is the forward direction. Now this is the max speed, max mixing speed for the higher speed shaft. This is 42. Slow down. For example, 31, 32. This is for the shaft speed. Okay, let's check inside the situation. Now sigma blaze rotating in the forward direction. Okay, we stop it. And then we test the reverse direction. Okay. Also we can control the speed while here. Okay, no problem. Now double sigma blaze rotating in the reverse direction. This direction will help to discharging the material. Now I test the emergency stop button. Okay, once pushed, mixer stops suddenly. Okay, I restart it again. For this time, I would like to display the safety protection system. It is regarding a sensor on the back of the top lid. Once the top lid opened, mixer will stop. Now it is working. I opened it, and we can see that the mixer stopped. This is for safety protection consideration. Even in this situation, I can also drive the sigma blaze. Just keep my finger on the button continuously. For example, forward. Reverse. forward. Now this is forward, reverse direction. Okay. No problem. So this is a simple test for the basic mixing function and the safety protection function of the new finished 2 liters model. That's gonna need a mixer for Netherlands client for high viscous material, solid and liquid material mixing. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery, technology company in China. Thanks for watching.